She didn't need a reason, she didn't have a plan.
But a tiny voice inside of her was telling her, you can.
She started out with something small, just one step down the track.
And slowly, and then all at once, there was no looking back.
She knew she'd do things differently. She'd trip and make mistakes.
But step by step and day by day, she'd work out what it takes.
And every day, she'd build things up, so every day she grew.
And then, before she knew it, she created something new.
So today, when someone asks her how she did it, where to start,
she smiles and she recalls that little voice inside her heart. Don't let them tell you who you are or what you're meant to be.
Just listen to that little voice and suddenly you're free.